Hi everyone, welcome to English with Mr. Erik. Today we're going to talk about writing practice. This is a writing practice about living room, family day, CEFR level pre-A1, A1, level 1. Today, we're going to learn some words about the things you see in your living room. Part 1. Vocabulary. Bookshelf, bookshelf. Lamp, lamp. Clock, clock. Plant, plant. Television, television. Shelf, shelf. TV cabinet, TV cabinet. Coffee table, coffee table. Remote control, remote control. Vase, vase. Cushion, cushion. Sofa, sofa. Cabinet, cabinet. Window rod, window rod. Curtain, curtain. Stairs, stairs. Window frame, window frame. Fireplace, fireplace. Armchair, armchair. Rock, rock. If you like this video, you can download this free worksheet. You can find the link in the description box. In this way, you can learn some words about the things you see in your living room. And you can also learn to write sentences about the things you see in your living room too. Part 2. Choose the right words. Please pause the video and download the paper now. You will have to do the paper before you continue watching the video. Please have a try. You have done your answer now. Check with me now. Bookshelf, lamp, clock, television, shelf, TV cabinet, coffee table, remote control, sofa, cushion, vase, plant. Cabinet, curtain rod, curtain. Stairs, rock, armchair, fireplace, window frame. Part 3. Completing sentences. Please pause the video and do your answer before you continue watching the video. Check your answer, please. Number 1, John and you can see a boy, John. A boy, John. He's. Who do you see? Family. John and his family are in the living room. Number 2, the boy John, one boy is. What is John doing? Can you see that? John is he standing? No. John is sitting on an armchair. Number 3, John's father. John's father, can you see it? John's father has a remote control. What is he going to do? Yes, John's father is holding a remote control. Number 4, father. Father, he is turning on, to switch on the television. John's father is turning on the television. How? With a remote control. You need a remote control to turn on the television. Number 5, there is one is a bowl of snacks. How many? 1, a bowl of snacks. Where is the bowl of snacks? On the coffee table. There is a bowl of snacks on the coffee table. Number 6, what do you see? A cat. What's the cat doing? The cat is sleeping on a cushion. The cat is sleeping on a cushion. Number 7, the clock. Can you see the clock? Yes. The clock is between the lamp and the television. The clock is between the lamp and the television. If you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friends and family, and to subscribe to our channel too. In this way, you can get free lessons every week. See you soon. Bye.